Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who values your privacy while using social media apps, then this video is just for you. Today we're going to talk about how to turn off the activity indicator on Snapchat, that little feature that lets your friends know when you are active or recently online. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to switch it off and keep your presence more discreet on the platform. So, if you are ready, grab your phone and follow along. First thing first, open your Snapchat app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down until you find the sections called Privacy Control. Tap on Activity Indicator. This is a setting that controls the green dot status. You will see a toggle switch. Simply turn it off to disable the activity indicator. That's it. Once the toggle is off, your friends won't be able to see the green dot anymore, and you will appear offline even if you are actively using the app. And there you have it. That's how you turn off the activity indicator on Snapchat. Whether you want to snap in peace or just take a break from being constantly visible, this feature is a quick way to gain more privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials just like this one. Got any questions or need help with something else on Snapchat? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.